Hey guys, Cogly here. So if you came from my previous video from my second channel, or my main channel, yes, I'm filming it at the same time, bro. Anyway, this video is actually a re-upload from my older channel because I wanted to focus on cycling for this channel. So if you want to see more Filipino cycling, fixed gear cycling, and maintenance, all of things like that, make sure to subscribe to this channel named Cogly. And yeah, let's get on with the video.
Hey, hello everyone, Suika here, and today we are going to be doing a bike check on my Celt 2K17 fixed gear bike. Okay, so let's first start at the cockpit. I've got some Labici stem. I don't even know if it's real. Got the 110mm -17 wake stem, Sagmit top cap, Max Zone headset, normal or unbranded seat posts. It's been polished from blue. I've got a pretty fucked up velo saddle. Okay, got a normal carbon bar tape. It's what is called in Shopee. Normal aluminum bar end with a screw. Okay, let's then now go to the frame set. So it is a Celt 2K17. You can denote it from here. Celt 2K17 size 52. It's been wrap look with a top coat or clear coat. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's steel, high tensile, I think. Yeah, I've got a unknown bottom bracket. I mean literally unknown, I don't know the brand. Celt V2 crankset, 48 teeth, 17 tooth cogs, generic cogs or unbranded cogs. I've got a DID chain, pretty rusty actually, what the fuck. I've got some Novatec hubs, steel spokes by Ragusa, Araya rims. I don't even know if it's legit Araya, but yeah, it's a 36 holes front and rear, 32C black cat tires. In with the front, it's a Presta valve. Got some normal alloy pedals and a homemade strap. Also have a DIY bottle cage holder. As you can see, it's got a MLB or mob aluminum bottle cage. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the whole bike build. So I do have plans for this. One of them being polishing this, making it a raw steel look with a clear coat so it doesn't corrode. For the wheel set, I plan on changing to 2024 holes arrow wheel set, or if not, I'd probably just keep the Novatec hubs and find those rims with a brake line, because this one has no brake lines. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the tire size. I don't plan on changing them, even though they're kind of harder to skid. But now that I've gotten used to it, maybe it's easier. Yeah. Cleats, I don't have any. I don't trust cleats yet. So yeah, probably. What else? I'll probably go ahead and change these to 50 or 4090. Probably 52. I heard that 52 has more gearing options with a lot of skid patches. Yeah, they're 49 or 52. And for the cogs, depends. If I don't change the chainring, I'd probably stick with a 14 tooth cogs. With the spokes, if they corrode anyway, I'll change them to stainless steel so that they're better quality. But yeah, overall it's a pretty good bike. It's quite light. I don't know the exact weight of it, but actually no, it's heavy. It's not that heavy, you know. It's a good bike for training your speed and all, because you're forced to deal with a heavier bike, and yeah, it's a fixie as well. No brakes, no gears, so it's pretty good for training. If you want to gain speed, it's better to train with heavier bike, because once you go to the lighter bike and you know you can get the feel of it, you'd probably ride faster that way. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.